Hi, my name is Amir. I'm owner of AutoFresh car detailing company. We do the steam cleaning with the big steamer machine, outside and interior and outside of the machine, even the engine of the car. And this is the new machine. It's an optimized steamer. So we do this with this one, and then I'm always in the neighborhood. And if you need my service, you can contact me. Thank you. So this car we did it right now, and then was a little bit dusty, and then so right now is after, so we can show you the before picture and before video after this video.